So at first we can go to Google and we can type the website www.AntUsdt.com, and here we can click the mine button, and here we should click app option, and here there are two options, Android download and iOS download. I am selecting Android download. If you are using iOS, you can download in iOS version also. So here I can click open. So I'll install it. So I'll go to open option. And here it is. You can click the account name, password and all.